everyone. So today we are going to demonstrate the plant cell structure, how it looks like from the outer side and how it looks like from the inner side. But before going to the details of the structure, let's understand what are the different misconceptions has been addressed by the different researchers and different studies in specific classroom for the students. For these are the misconceptions like the representations of the cell structure. It looks like a very in the different textbook and different learning materials. It's in a 3D model. So we have to work on this like in the 3D model. It generally specifies like a very flattened structure. These are the flattened structure and the different organelles are placed kept it on the surfaces like this. But this is not the actual structure of the cell inside the cell structure. If we have to understand the cell structure in the better way, we have to look at it from the 3D model. For the 3D model, we can also it's not very easy to it is invisible part of the cell. So there are lots of a process has been taken through the electron microscope for getting a better slide of this. But if we have to understand it better and better articulate the idea of the cell structure, we can make something magnify this cell structure, and we can make something hands-on which can give a better understanding to identify different organelles and their inner look of the cell structure. For this, I have created a 3D model. In that 3D model, we can see how the different organelles taking place and how it looks like. So therefore, we can see here is the 3D model. So I have made it. So by using the clay, so this is the it looks like a very circular structure. And if we have to take a look inside the light, if we can make a something like a crack or break in this, and after opening we can see the different organelles like this, which are looking like this. So this is the whitish material we can see, whitish material which is known as a cytoplasm of the cell, and this is the nucleus. If we have to look inside this how the nuclear material looks like, we can see it like this. How we can open this and see that this is the nuclear material. Then we can understand the different other organelles, like in the brown shade it's a mitochondria. In the red we can see it's a representing the lysosomes. Also in the yellow structure we can see there is a representation of the Golgi apparatus. Also in the organelle orange shell it's a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Also in the purple color we can see here is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Also in the blue structure we can see here is the vacuoles are also present in this structure. So something like this can make a something like structure can will help students to get a better understanding of the cell structure or something. Also these are the hands approaches are really give the students to think about the different structures and gives a critical thinking about it, and to think about the different approaches like which is developed the scientific thinking also. So if we have to overcome the misconceptions of the cell structure, we can develop something such kind of model. Also we can ask the students to create something like this model will help them to get a better understanding of the cell structure. So thank you.